They're accurate. Florida health officials say today the state's COVID death count is correct. That's despite a new study suggesting the data may be off by thousands. Our Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders has the story in Tallahassee.
Many raised accuracy questions earlier this week after Yahoo News published a story citing that study. It's since gained a lot of national attention. State officials deciding today to weigh in.
We needed to set the record straight.
Florida's Deputy Health Secretary pushing back after a recent study suggests the state is undercounting COVID deaths by thousands.
Is Florida undercounting deaths?
The answer to that is no.
The research came from the University of Utah. They calculated Florida's average deaths absent a pandemic, then compared them to actual March through September numbers, finding nearly 5,000 more deaths than expected. Scientists believe officials mark them as something else, given that many COVID patients suffer from comorbidity.
I'm very confident with the numbers in the state of Florida.
Dr. Robertson said each death undergoes a rigorous review process before it's counted. She also said the study is using little more than a public health forecasting tool, not actual data.
The actual data is what is captured, that indeed they were a COVID case, and then they died within a specified period of time, and they were counted as a case. So that assertion and that claim that we falsely put out numbers, that is false.
The governor's critics still have doubts. Ag Commissioner Nikki Fried, one of them, reaffirming today a desire for more clarity.
This goes back to what I've been saying from day one. There's been a lack of transparency through the governor's office.
But from Robertson's perspective, Florida's numbers don't lie.
The people of Florida, they deserve the facts, and that we are giving them good, accurate data with a rigorous review process.
Florida's official COVID death count is around 33,000 victims. That places the state fourth in the nation overall and around 27th if you take into account population. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.